Hey, what is up guys? Be right back here and welcome to another DIY video. And finally, here's the package that I ordered online to fill the void on my tank. Actually, I still have the stock emblem that came off from this tank, but I decided to put something different, something that kinda unique. So here's the stock classic emblem. Time to put it back. Actually, the front fender looks cool with this emblem. It really looks classic. And also I have this white oil-based paint or tire paint. And don't worry, you can find this tire paint in my description box. Just click the link. These little things that I did make a huge difference from this into this. So I'm gonna start by cleaning the tire and then painting the markings. And inside this box there are two paint pen. Here it is. Make sure to shake well before using it. I'm just gonna practice a bit before doing the major markings. And now the down loop markings. And I'm gonna do the same procedure on the other side of this tire. Now the rear tire, I'm gonna clean the tire first and then do the painting. Now it's time to start the painting. Since I'm confident, I'm gonna start with the done loop markings. And finally it's done. One more side, and then I'm gonna do the fuel tank emblem or sticker installation. So here's the sticker, and I'm thinking what's the best angle. First, I'm gonna clean it with this alcohol to make sure that it is free from oil or any chemicals. And then I'm gonna use this scraper while installing the sticker or stickers. And here's the sticker. Time to install. And here you go. Cool. And left side installation. So after cleaning it with alcohol, time to install this sticker. And finally it's done, and it's so cool. Time to check out the whole bike.